everyone, welcome back. It's another beautiful day, and we're gonna be covering today news in crypto that will affect your trading and price range. Now, for those that missed the video of yesterday, I cover XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Now, all the information that I mentioned in yesterday's video are still relevant and are still can take some information, some insight. So please watch this video to make sure you don't miss anything valuable. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be covering for you guys, we're going to be looking at news that will affect your cryptocurrency. We're covering today Litecoin, XLM, and Cardano. So let's dig in. So we're going to look first at Coinbase. Now, for those who don't know, this week, the manager of Coinbase Custody Services has publicly stated that they reached over $20 billion of asset under management. This is 10 times, if not 20 times more than they had when they started last year. This is insane. Now, one of the beautiful things about Coinbase Custody that they're actually supporting most of the cryptocurrency that they have on the platform on the custody service. So if you look here, you can literally see that they're supporting Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So it seems they're supporting most top 20 or top 50, I would say, of cryptocurrency, which give many speculators, many institutional opportunity to do custody with them, as some traditional custodial services might be very limited in the top 5 or the top 10 cryptocurrency. This is something for you guys to know. Now, we're gonna go over and look at Grayscale. Grayscale has been making a lot of ridiculous announcements about how much money they've been raising. In one of the announcements, they said they got in the last week more than almost $1 billion of asset under management has been added to their trust. Now, the good thing about Grayscale is they're all about transparency. So you can actually go and check at any given time and understand if they have an increase or inflow of money. So we're gonna look first at Litecoin. So Litecoin, they have an asset under management of $73 million. So obviously we saw some big volatility in regards to Litecoin. This is probably not the reason. So we're gonna look also on Grayscale. We're gonna look at, that's not it, XRP. So XRP has on asset under management just $7.6 million, which means from all the institutional investors that are working with Grayscale and are investing in Grayscale, they're not so heavily investing in XRP. They're betting much more on Litecoin compared to XRP. Now we're gonna look now just for you to understand how are the different and the scale in investment between altcoin and Bitcoin. We're looking at Bitcoin. They have reached over $10 billion of asset under management. This is real money that can actually make big difference. So just for you guys to remind you that the market cap of Bitcoin is over $300 billion. So we have companies like PayPal, we have like companies like Square that are heavily purchasing on behalf of their client or institutional client a lot of Bitcoin. So no one's talking about XRP, no one's talking about any other cryptocurrency, but this is the money that everyone is putting on and betting on. So now we're gonna dig into price analysis. Well, we're now looking at Litecoin or LTC Vents Dollar. So I have set once again the timer for 15 minutes because this is the best format to view any cryptocurrency if you're day trading or if you're trading with leverage or without any leverage. Now I was able to set up the support line and the resistor line. So the resistor line is around $90 or 90.1 and 90.9, sorry. And the support level will be around $84 or $85. So right now, Litecoin is literally hovering between 88 to 88 and a half. All right. So if you were to enter right now I probably wouldn't enter right now because it's literally, you can say it's almost in the middle. So it's literally going towards slightly the resistance level and not so much toward the support level. So right now might not be the best time to enter this position. Now, if you have a long perspective, a long view on Litecoin, you might consider entering right now, but probably be careful with the leverage. Now, I've said for you guys, this is the long-term view, and this will be the next support level for Litecoin. So based on the past few years, so if you look at 2018, so 2018, if you can see, it reached $112 or $115, and then again it touched in July 2019. This will be the price range that Litecoin will have issue to surpass for the next few weeks or the next month or two. So this will be the next long-term position that you might want to consider to have a target on. Now let's look at ADA. So once again, I have set the chart for 15 minutes for you guys. You can actually look at what is the range. So right now we can see that ADA is pretty much staying steady in regards to the price range. It's literally in the middle of the support level and the resistance level that I've set. So it's probably not a good time to look and take any position or enter this trade. Now, if you are looking to enter this trade, you can obviously look at placing some trade around 16 cents, for example, even maybe if you're lucky, 15.8, 15.9. So this will be something for you to consider. So we're now reviewing ADA long-term price. So what I mean long-term price? Long-term price will be anything within the next few weeks or the next few months. So if we're going to continue this momentum, this rally, probably ADA will have some issues breaking the 0.29 or 29 cents. Now, just for you to realize, when was the last time we had this price? Was in 2019. So this will be the next price range for those that are a long-term believer to potentially see the next resistance. We're now reviewing XLM. So once again, we're looking now at the day trading chart. This is for those that are looking to day trade. This is the perfect chart. So I have analyzed for you guys, this is the support level if there's gonna be any flash crash. So basically a major sell-off of some trader or some holder, they decide to sell in an instant as many XLM as possible. So this will probably create a very big crash or very big drop in price. The first support level will be around the 17.4 cents. And in the worst case, we should probably look at 15.5 cents. This will be the worst case scenario. So if you are holding any position and you are long-term believer, also want to benefit from this market volatility, your stop loss should be lower than 15.5, just in case. Now, there's other parameters you should obviously understand when you're trading with leverage. The more volume there is in your platform or in cryptocurrency, the less likely for it to see a very dramatic price variation, price changes in a very short time. So please take that into consideration. You need to choose a platform where it has a lot of liquidity, or secondly, you should probably not trade with high leverage on illiquid platform or illiquid trading pair that might risk you losing a lot of money because someone that just put $100,000 with leverage of 10 basically decide to buy or sell, and that might work against you. So this is my review for today in regards to XLM, Litecoin and ADA. If there is any specific cryptocurrency you want me to cover next, please subscribe and write below the comments so I can obviously look into it and give you my price range. Now, please remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a random guy that love analyzing stuff. I love cryptocurrency, and I want to share some of my information that I think are useful. So please bear in mind, you need to do a bit more research before you make any decision. And until next time, bye bye.